Welcome back, friends and family. I appreciate y'all coming along here for the video today. We're out with the Woodmizer LT40. We've got a beautiful straight grain poplar log. We're going to finish up sawing some 1x6s, and we need 8 more boards to finish up the riding ring fence project. And after that, we're going to just turn it into 1x's, whatever we can get out of it, and sure get some beautiful lumber. But I wanted to bring you all along with it there. So we'll go ahead. We put a new blade here on the Woodmizer. Ought to cut really nice for us and should make some beautiful lumber. That tear going up the side of this tree there, so I went ahead and put it on top, and that'll be our first face that we're going to work with. So we're learning here. I went ahead and I raised that end there, the small end. It's about 2 inches, I believe, is what I raised it, just to try to even up the center of the pith on each end. Try to get a little less waste out of that end. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Here we go. right, so I went ahead and set it up on the far side as a 6-inch wide slab, and this will be 8 inches. So we'll get the fence boards we need out of the far one, and this will give us some 8-inch 1-bys for crafting. All right, well, things are going really good for us there. We're getting some beautiful lumber. I wanted to go ahead and see what the grain was looking like on this for us. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. All right, well, we made it down. We're making our 3-inch cut. So we'll have, I'm gonna make a 2x6 and a 2x8 on the bottom. So that was our last cut, but we ran out of gas. So let me go refuel up. We'll finish this off. Let's go ahead and unstack it here and see if we got any neat features on the grain. Really nice 8-inch boards there. That's pretty neat. All right, well, hopefully y'all enjoy the sawmill videos there. I know I sure do. I have a blast milling this. We got a load of poplar out of that log. Impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and resaw these slabs and probably get some other real nice 8 or 10-inch boards out of those. So I thank y'all for coming along. We'll catch y'all next time. Y'all take care.
I can get us to go in the bottom of the temple. Come on. Whoa.
What happened, Nami? Good job, girl.